This development kit has all ChatGPT features available for React and JavaScript that you can implement into your own project. For example, you can use the Code Canvas functionality to create your own coding agents, use the in-paint mode to draw masks and add elements to your image. With voice interaction and auto transcription, you can talk to the AI, turn your voice into text, and have a conversation. And other functionalities like file interaction, image generation, search functionality, vision, and more. It's a great starting point to develop your own multimodal experience or create your own AI application. And you don't have to guess about the code because this kit is fully documented with guides and how-to. You can get my development kit in my website and in the link in the description for a unique price. And if you have any question about the kit or AI related, you can contact me on my LinkedIn page, The AI Developer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media for more projects, tips and tricks, and more.